The miracle of the Qur'an in the universe and space miracles in the unity of the universe. Allah said, "Have the unbelievers not seen that the heavens and the earth were sewn up as one, solid, mass, then we unstitched them, and that we made every living thing of water? Will they not believe it?" Al-Anbiya 30. Modern scientific theories say that the Earth was part of the solar system, then separated from it and cooled. Then it became suitable for human habitation, and they prove the correctness of the theory by the presence of volcanoes and inflamed substances in the ground. Also through the Earth from time to time with this lava of volcanic materials inflamed. This modern theory is consistent with what the Holy Quran mentioned in the aforementioned verse. Darn. In language, is joining and fusion. Hernia is the separation of the two. Also, the theory predicts that the universe is expanding from the moment of the explosion until now, which means that the light should be of a great red displacement so that it will appear to us now as radiation from the microwave waves, and the idea of the expanding non-static universe originated with the author of the theory of relativity, Einstein. He even called it the biggest mistake in my life, which is called the cosmological constant, and it was one of the most important predictions of modern times. It was achieved by Hubble in 1929 with scenes that are a road sign and that wherever you direct your gaze you find distant galaxies moving quickly away from us and mean that the universe is expanding, and that means that the objects were in earlier times more close together, meaning that they were 20,000 million years ago they were all in the exact location, and therefore the density of the universe at that time was infinite. In 1965 background radiation, microwave, was detected and its temperature was 2.7 degrees K. These waves are similar to light waves, but their frequency is only 10,000 million waves per second. Scientists believe that the universe at the time of the explosion itself will be zero in size and thus be infinitely hot, but as the universe expands, the heat of radiation decreases. After the explosion, 1 second, the heat has fallen to nearly 10,000 million degrees, which are the temperatures found in the explosions of the hydrogen bomb. What the universe contains are mostly quarks, protons, neutrons, photons, and antiparticles. After that, as the universe continues to expand and the temperature drops, after 100 seconds of the explosion becomes the temperature of 1,000 million degrees, which is the temperature of the inner star. So, elements other than helium are formed. After hours, the production of helium and other elements stops. After that, the universe continues to expand and form nebulae, galaxies, stars, and planets. The events continue. We see that more happened in the first seconds than in the following billions of years. Dr. Ragab Abdelnazir Abdelsahafi.